Jai Hind, guys. So today I am here and on my way to Guwahati from Shillong, and today I'll be testing out one product. Yeah, this is the product is here. Okay, this is Liqui Moly injection cleaner. So this basically is a product by a German company. I bought it from Amazon, and I will try it out in my Kushaq. And what it does is this. Okay, before that, I will tell you how to open it. So if you focus here, if you can see here, there is a cap. So you have to press it here like this and press anti-clockwise and then open. Okay. Then there is a ring out here. There is a ring out here. You have to take it out. Okay. After you take it out, then you insert this one, this nozzle, and once you insert the nozzle through this, you pour this chemical into the fuel tank. So that I'll do when I go to the filling station. But right now, the purpose of this, so let me keep it. Yep. So basically, the purpose of this adding this additive in the fuel, this is for petrol, is that it removes deposits on injection valves, intake valves, spark plugs, and the combustion chambers, and prevents new deposits from forming. Right. So what it helps is it helps in eliminating starting problem and rough engine running. Right. Maintains all components of the gasoline injection system, protects the entire fuel system against the corrosion, improves throttle response and compression. Now this also optimizes emission test values and the performance of the engine. Clean engines use less fuel, so that means that it will reduce the pollutant emissions and also increase the fuel efficiency. Now, how it will really behave once I inject it in my fuel tank, once I put it, I will definitely give it to a review. I'll run the machine or the car today after doing this. Now, the ideal situation is that when your fuel tank has hit a reserve, that means your fuel in the fuel tank is at its lowest level, then it is ideal to put this additive in the fuel tank, and then immediately thereafter you fill the fuel tank. So what will it will help in cleaning the all deposits that has been accumulated in the injectors and valves and fuel systems. Especially now it is more important because this is coming dangerously close. We are using E20 fuel. So we'll try it out and let's see. So just stay tuned, guys. So guys, right now you can see my odometer. So here you can see that I have got a fuel which is good to drive for another 65 kilometer. Okay, but you see, since I'm going to Guwahati and I will like to fill the fuel from a fuel pump which I trust. So it may not hit the reserve, but it will definitely be, something like good to run for another 60 kilometers. So what will happen? I will try to tell you as much as possible. I mean, see, I may not get the ideal condition always. I'll try my best. So, and we'll share the feedback how it feels to drive the car once I add the additive. Right. So stay tuned, guys. We are going to Guwahati from Shillong, and this is the Moly bypass. This is called a Moly bypass to bypass the city, and we'll join in the GS road. There is the Guwahati Shillong road, which is not very far away from here, about 6 kilometers from here. So today is a cloudy day. So in between, just have a look at how it looks in the hilly city of my Shillong. Right. So we are on the way to the petrol pump. It's still about 2 and 3 kilometers left. So, like I wanted to share with you a few parameters that is important when you are testing this particular additive. Other parameters are, I generally 99.9% of the time I drive on 95 octane petrol. I use mostly HP Power 95, and if not, then XP 95. We do not get XP 100 octane petrol out here in Shillong or Guwahati. So, and even if we get, I mean, that will be very difficult because it will be very costly. Now, well, I mean, then this is the GS road that we are joining. Yeah, this is the GS road. It's a two-way road again. Anywhere from another 10 kilometers ahead of us, then it will become a four-lane road. Now, I use HP 95, and right now I have checked my tire pressure. This is at 36 PSI in all the four tires. Now, the vehicle is not fully loaded. We are only two of us, like me and madam. So, say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, so we only two of us are here. We're having light luggage in the boot. So, I thought that 36 is enough for the tires. And yes, the history has been that Shillong to Guwahati we go around 95 to 100 kilometers. This is the petrol pump where I always, fill my fuel from. And from Shillong to Guwahati, we descend down about 4,500 feet. So while going, you get good mileage. Now, good mileage in the sense that, but I don't drive sedately, so I get on around 16. Maximum I got is about 17 from my home to home. That is what. So I'm going to add this additive out here to this nozzle. So full. Here it goes. So I have added till the last drop. So now I will add the pure petrol. Yeah, right. Yes, come. You can please. Yeah. Yeah. So the this auto cut is over. So now we have filled up 43 liters of petrol. No. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. So it means the capacity being 50 liters. So that means 7 liters of fuel was inside, but I had to do it. So thank you. So as you see, after I poured the additive, my fuel economy is till now, since I started from home, is 10.2 kilometer. The max I got from my home in Guwahati, from Shillong to Guwahati is 17 kilometer, which I drove very sedately. So I'll drive normally today. We'll see how much it works out to be. This is what, and right now I've started, so I can't tell you exactly if there is any change in the vehicle. It will take some time for me to understand and let you know. So stay tuned, guys. So guys, I've traveled about 35 kilometers since refueling, along with that Liqui Moly, and my odometer shows me an average of 17 kilometers per liter now. When I started from there, it was 10.2, so it is almost 7 kilometers increase. And remember, guys, we have come down. We have descended about 2,300 feet, and this is the midway between Shillong and Guwahati. 35 kilometers. I have driven it absolutely in normal way. So not very in a high speed, neither in a slow speed. My understanding about driving it for 35 kilometers is there is not a radical change in the engine behavior. It feels little smoother, no doubt, little smooth, and you feel it. You feel that the engine is little smoother, but there is not a spike in the that feeling that it has become like a butter makhan ka jaisa ho gaya. ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. Maybe because in my reserve already I had 7 liters of fuel left. Ideally it should be very low level, so that may be one of the reason. And but it feels good, and I have gained an average of almost 7 kilometers per liter over a distance of 35 kilometers. Not a very bad figure at all, descending down. So let me see till when I reach my destination, which is still about 45 kilometers away, how it goes. So let me overtake this ugly vehicle out there. So this is called Nongpo. This is the midway between Shillong and Guwahati, and this is how it looks. So guys, stay tuned to know about my final understanding of having added that additive. So stay tuned. So guys, jackets are off, AC is on. We are entering Guwahati city. The temperature is much warmer. It's about 26 degrees now, as you can see from the odometer. And if you will see minutely, so you can see this, the mileage it's showing is 18.2 kilometers per liter. Now this is the entrance to the Guwahati city, so it is a lot of traffic. It's always like that. So the mileage has reduced. It was about 18.7 till about a kilometer or two before. Definitely, if you consider that my initial reading when I started from my home in Shillong to the filling station, petrol pump, which is about 11 kilometers. There I got a mileage of 10.23 kilometers. So if you take into consideration that particular low mileage, then this 18.2 kilometer mileage that the odometer is showing is pretty impressive. Now I have got still a few kilometers to go till I reach my place in Guwahati, and like I said, till date the best I could get was about 17.5 kilometers per liter, which I drove on a Sunday, much lesser traffic, and I drove little sedately, aram se. So let's see another 2-3 kilometers from here. So how does it go through? I feel that there is little smoothness in the engine, definitely, but not of a significant improvement, or I may be expecting too much, because it's only about 80 kilometers I've driven. So maybe it will take some time to get a effect of this particular additive. Okay, let's see. So yeah, right, ultimately we reached our destination. The mileage figure now, after I reached home, it now says about 17.5 kilometer per liter. So you have to consider that, like I said earlier, that when I started from Shillong, that point of time, my initial mileage for first 10-11 kilometers was pretty bad. Pretty bad in the sense that I could clock only 10.2 kilometers per liter because of the city rush and due to some stoppages in between. I had some work, all those things. So given that factor, I feel there has been an improvement in mileage. And also, like I said, I felt a bit of engine smoothness, definitely, but this is a marginal one, not a very big jump in that smoothness that will make you feel that instantly. Maybe I will feel much better to drive the car maybe in a day's time or 2 days time. So this is what my experience is all about, using the Liqui Moly additive in the fuel tank. And also another thing that we taken into account is that my fuel level was 7 liters already in the tank. It was not more or less empty. It should have been more or less empty. That is to get the best result. So that is all, guys, and I hope you like this video, and if you like it, please hit that like button, and also please do subscribe to my channel if you have not done so as yet. Thank you so much. Love you all. Signing off, Eddie Roy from Guwahati.